In this video, I want to show you how to pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your Android smartphone. This is a Samsung, but it works with any brands. So the first step is to put the AirPods in pairing mode if they're not already. So if you look closely over here, there is a light. And when they're in pairing mode, that light is supposed to flash white quickly. So put the AirPods in the case, close the lid, open the lid. Is that light flashing white quickly? If not, simply double tap where the light is. And the light is now flashing, which means that they're in pairing mode. Go on your Android smartphone in the settings. So over here I will drag down and I'll click the settings cogwheel. Go in connections, Bluetooth. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth. It will search for every devices that are around and it will find the AirPods. Click on them. Select pair. And here we go, they paired together. Now it's important to know that these AirPods have many different features and some of them are only accessible for iPhone users. So first of all, both of these AirPods are touch sensible on the stem, which means that you can press the stem, okay, with 2 fingers like this. It will register, and depending when you're doing this, it will activate certain features that I'll talk to you in just a few seconds. These AirPods Pro also have, both of them, on the stem a flat surface. As you see, the stem is circular, it's like a tube, but one side is flat. This is where you can control the volume. So when you wear them, if you slide down, it will lower the volume. If you go up, the volume will increase. You don't have to wear both of these to have access to all the controls I will show you now. For this example, let's pretend I have them in my ears. So if you want to play pause audio from a music app or maybe YouTube, you simply have to squeeze the stem once. This is to play. Squeeze the stem again to pause. If you're listening to music and you want to go to the next track, you just have to double press the stem. So you need to do it quickly. Don't take long pauses between each press, okay? Quick. This will go to the next song. To go to the previous track, triple press. 1, 2, 3. Quickly. If somebody is trying to call you, you're receiving a call, to answer that call, you simply have to press once on the stem. You'll be able to talk. If you want to switch between active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and adaptive audio, you can do this on the AirPods themselves simply by keeping the stem pressed during about 1 second, and it will switch from one to another. So let's say I'm in noise cancellation. If I do this, it will switch to transparency mode. If I do this again, it will switch to adaptive audio.